What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Today we're gonna work on the truck a little bit, do something different since the car is basically down without any brakes. Be a little bit before we work on that again, maybe. Some small stuff here and there, but I want to work on the truck a little bit because since I've got the car, I have pretty much abandoned my truck and it's super dirty inside and out from the trip of going and getting the car and then everything else since then. I normally would clean it like once a week, once every 2 weeks, because we live under a giant tree and it drops crap on it all the time. So it's pretty funky. So let's just get on that and we'll do some other things to it and yeah, go from there. But first, I need to get a beverage. Grossness in here. Okay, now we can get to work. All right, I got the mat out. This is what I'm talking about. So all these leaves, and every 2 years, this big tree right there drops these nuts all over the place. We put out probably 6 or 7 trash bins of them last year, or 2 years ago. So the water tends to stand in here because these leaves cover up the holes that are designed to let the water go out. So I want to drill that out a little bit. I gotta figure out what's behind this or what's under this because I have no idea, but we'll get to that in a second. First, gotta clean this shit out. My point exactly of not draining. All right, we got some simple green. Can't go wrong with that. And some car soap. I'm gonna just scatter it about. Now we got broom, brush. Let's go. Oops. Forgot about all that. Okay, so the bed's cleaned out now. Got that done. It's starting to rain. I don't know, it wasn't supposed to, but it's Florida, so why wouldn't it rain today? I'm gonna keep going because it's water, so what's it gonna bother me? I'm washing a car. So let's get the mat and some other things done, and then we'll move on. Okay, so in case anyone is curious what I'm using to wash with, it is this Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax. I've used this for years. I love it. Love the way it smells. Love the way it makes it look. I know they have newer products, and I want to try those out on the channel later. But right now, we're going to stick to the stuff that I know and get it clean first, and then we can experiment later. Let's get some soap on this thing and get all this pollen, funk, tree sap, all that crap off of there. Okay, so a long time ago, I was cleaning this truck back the last time I washed it probably, which was months ago. I posted on my Instagram a story of the wheel cleaning process, and tons of people asked me what I was using, and it was the Meguiar's wheel cleaner, but it was the pink version. I had used that for years, and I just recently bought this blue stuff, and I really want to try it out. So we're gonna spray that on the wheels and see what it does and compare it to the pink stuff, which I don't have any pink to compare it to, but I know what it is, so I will try to explain it best I can. Alright, so the blue stuff's not bad. It definitely smells more pleasant than the pink one does. When you're spraying it, the pink one will take your breath. This one smells a lot less chemically, which it's supposed to be for sensitive finishes and whatnot, so I'm assuming it's not as harsh. I was kind of disappointed on how well it took off the dirt off the tires by itself. I'll do another video and show the pink one. It, like, when you spray it on, it turns brown, like runs off. So, but it worked. They're clean. That's all that really matters, I guess. But just nitpicking. So let's do the other side and yeah, get it done. Okay, so we're losing light. As you can tell, I've had to set up some lights. Well, that one's just in the roof, but that one, which I like it. It looks kind of cool. It's clean. It looks 1,000 times better. I'm gonna have to clay bar it, but I didn't realize how bad it had gotten until I got into it today, and it took a lot longer than I thought it was going to. So we didn't get to the interior today, but that's fine because I have some other projects and things I want to do inside the interior, so I can just do that all at once. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the truck content. I know it was just a wash, but if you enjoy machines and whatnot as much as I do, you know that a clean car is a happy car. At least that's how I feel. And so I got it clean now, and now we can work on some mods and some things to it and projects. So that'll be fun. There's still plenty of projects to do on the Evo. I got quite a bit of things on the list, so we'll probably jump back into some car content here and there while we're waiting for the brakes. I should have the calipers soon. Leave a comment down below on what you think the color of the calipers will be. I ordered the rotors in August, and I still haven't. I got the front ones, but not the rear ones. And there's been like a huge delay in that, so we'll just have to wait. But yeah, like I said, hope you liked it. Like and subscribe if you did. It does help out a bunch. Leave a comment down below on maybe some cleaning supplies that I'm not trying. I used a lot of Meguiar's in this one, but I want to try some more in the future to kind of expand my horizon of cleaning supplies. I've used Meguiar's for years, and so I just go with that, but I want to try some more. So let me know down below what you use, what you would suggest, and yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!